I'm Rich Fam. Do you want to learn how to make Jello? Here you go. First, you get here. First, you get Jello. Yeah, you got the Jello. Okay, get a bowl. Flip it over. Gotta. Ooh, put it out. Gotta flip it over. Ooh, look at my fingers. Yummy. That's how you make the Jello. Just doing this video for fun. This is really nasty, but this Jello's so good. That's all. Bye.